Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a very quick and easy but delicious yam pepper soup. So for that we're going to use yam, scent leaves, goat meat stock cubes, some pepper, some onion and crayfish. Now I put this together because I'm going to pound them together. I like pounding them or blending them together, but that doesn't mean you can't use yours separately. Let's start with this recipe. So we're going to start off by cooking our meat. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I like to allow my meat cook in its juices before I add water. So I put 2 seasoning cubes, some salt and a little bit of onions in this. So what makes on fire, we're going to cut our yam. I like to cut mine in small pieces when I'm making porridge. Now one tip, if you're new to yam, I suggest you have a bowl of warm water by the side. I'm saying this because most of the time yam itches me, so having the bowl of water to dip my hands in after peeling the yam helps with the itching. It helps to reduce it a lot. So that's something to keep in mind if you've not handled yam before. Ten minutes of cooking. I've put water in the pot of meat. I'm putting in some pepper. This is not the main pepper, I'm still going to add pepper. Then I'll cover this and allow it to cook until the meat is ready. After 15 minutes of cooking, our meat is ready. So I'm going to take this out and put our yam to start cooking. I'm not going to add in my pepper mix. That's the pepper, crayfish and onion I pounded together. You can increase your pepper, but I have kids eating, so I had to reduce the amount of pepper. I'm adding more water in my yam because the water is going to reduce when the yam cooks. I like mine having a lot of liquid. I mean, it's pepper soup, isn't it? So I'm going to add 1 seasoning cube and a little salt and allow this cook. My seasoning cube was difficult to break. Don't just eat it when that happens. The yam is almost ready, so I'm going to introduce the meat back in. So while the yam is on fire, I'm going to go ahead and prepare my leaves. Just going to cut them from the stalk, wash them up and cut them with a knife or by hand if you want. I like to do this immediately I want to put it in because I don't like the color it changes to when you cut it way ahead of time. The yam is ready. It's just correct seasoning and keep it down. Just bear in mind that it gets thicker as it cools, so it's best to keep it down now. We've come to the best part, which is eating. Guys, this food is packed with flavor. The flavor from the goat meat, the scent leaves, the mixed peppers, mixed yellow and red pepper. It just gives it a rich flavor. Someone has asked me before why I don't use pepper soup spice. I'm using goat meat to do this pepper soup. I just say there's no need really because it's already packed with flavor. That's it guys, thank you very much for watching. If you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so. Don't forget to like, to share and to comment. Until next time, bye.